like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, and I'm glad to have you. Today I'm here with my balance box, my nails this week. This is called their Balance Discovery Box, and it's quarterly. And it costs $26.80, and that includes shipping. So this is one of the cheaper boxes out there, and I do enjoy it because this one comes out of Canada, and there are items that I would never be able to try otherwise. You can find them on Amazon, but you're not going to find them down at your local store. So this time we got Almir. This is herbal toothpaste. Non-GMO, fluoride free. No colors, dyes, bleaches, no parabens, gluten free, no artificial sweeteners, cruelty free, and vegan. And now I'm curious what it says. Fresh mint. We'll check it out. Maybe. Get the box open. If you can't tell, I've had the crap again. I'm trying to get over it. I start my new biologics and my iron treatments tomorrow, so that'll help. Let's be honest, we're all a little curious here. And it does come safety sealed. We all want to know what this. Got a slight smell of it, of mint. It tastes like regular toothpaste. Tastes like regular toothpaste. Who knew? Then we got a tongue scraper by, who was it by? The same company. It's surgical grade. So if you need to do a surgery on your tongue, you're good to go. Okay. Next we got Allergy Calm Melt Away tablets, and they're by Boron, I guess. They're melt away tablets. Fixes itchy, watery eyes, sneezing, itchy throat, and nose. 20 tablets are in it. And single doses, I think it says 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. So there's that. Always means something for my allergies. And this one is Acidil Melt Away Tablets. It's homeopathic medicine, plant-powered relief, no known drug interactions. And that's for if you have a heartburn or something like that. And then they give you these cards. And you use extra 20, and that should give you 20% off your first box. Then we got chickpea sticks, good for you and the planet. And they are sea salt powered with plant protein, non-GMO, gluten-free, all-natural, oven-baked. And there's 3 servings in this bag, and they're 100 calories a serving. So, let's see how full the bag is. They're not bad. And you don't taste the salt till the end. But otherwise they're kind of bland. They kind of taste like a regular potato chip is what it tastes like. So, there's that. I'll eat them. Okay. Fresh walnuts. This one is from a woman-owned business. And it's Daily Crunch, turmeric and sea salt, sprouted almonds, 0 seed oils, superfood infused, and plant protein. And in this one, there is 150 calories per serving, and there's 5 servings in this bag. And that's a quarter cup. We'll taste this one. I've got quite a few snacks. Okay, these are them. Now, well, no, I'm not supposed to eat nuts, but I'll eat this one. I taste nothing. It's very hard. Can't chew them. They're very, very hard. I don't know. I can't chew them. I can't chew them. So I probably won't be eating those. And the last thing we have is Mavericks cookies. And this is birthday cake, plant-based bulk cookies. This is 1 serving, and it's 110 calories for the whole thing. And it's good stuff inside. 40% less sugar than leading kids cookie. Free of artificial colors and dyes, preservatives, strips. Colors are dyes. No sugar, alcohols, no peanuts, and it's vegan. So, we'll taste this one. Here, did they look like they were frosted? They're not frosted here. None of them are. Nope, none of them are. Doesn't that look like it's frosted? Oh well. They aren't bad. They aren't great, but they ain't bad. No, they're not bad. They're not great, but they're not bad. So anyway, that was this, I think it's fall. That was my fall box from Discovery Company. And I will leave a link below if you want to get your own box. They have other kind of boxes. They have one that's nothing but snacks. They have lifestyle boxes for both men and women. A couple other things. So feel free to like and subscribe. Come on back. Bye.